This is Pristine with Pristine Health, where we eat clean and live healthy in Las Vegas, Nevada. Walking the Las Vegas Strip. So I walked all the way from the Harrah's Casino down to the Strat, and now I'm walking back, and I'm second guessing my decision to do this. I'm starting to feel it. Fortunately, I only have like maybe, I don't know, half a mile to go. But for those of you familiar with Las Vegas and where the Harrah's Casino is and where the Strat Casino is, S-T-R-A-T, it's a good little hike. And again, I'm second guessing my decision to do so, to make that hike, because now I'm feeling it. Caught myself out here getting some exercise before I turn in for the evening, and how I'm feeling right now, I'm gonna have to refuel. I'm gonna have to stop by one of these fast food joints, the burger joint right here. Which is not all that healthy. But I feel like desperate times call for desperate measures. So I might just be walking up in here in this burger joint, because I need some calories right now. This has been John Pristine with Pristine Health, where we eat clean and live healthy most of the time. An occasional burger won't hurt. Well, actually, the burger joint's closed, so they just closed. So the suffering continues. We'll see what happens. Yes, at this moment, I'm really second guessing my decision, especially when I'm about to go up these stairs here. Because of course we're not taking the escalator. We're not doing that. I mean, this is John Pristine with Pristine Health, where we eat clean and live healthy. We're not taking no escalator when there's the option of taking a regular stairs. It's not doing that. It's not what we do. It's not what we do. And I made it up without passing out. I try not to eat right before bed, but tonight that's happening. I'm going to eat right before bed. Fortunately, I haven't had a whole lot of calories throughout the day, so plus I just went on this hour-and-a-half hike, so I feel like I can afford. To eat before I go to bed. Now, the decision is what to eat before I go to bed. Now, this time of night in Las Vegas, there aren't that many. I mean, there are a lot of options, but there aren't that many healthy options. It's not too late. It's like 8:30. So I guess I may not be telling the truth when I just said that. There probably are some healthy options. I may not feel like finding them, but there probably are some. So the burger joint was closed. I guess that was a sign. I wasn't supposed to eat there. So the suffering continues. Kept moving on. Keep on moving on. Have to find another option. Maybe a veggie pizza or something like that. A couple of slices of veggie pizza or something like that. Whatever it is, we're gonna find something, because like I said, I'm feeling it after that long hike. junk was closed, so this is what I ended up with. Broccolini, sauteed broccolini, chicken wings, and onion rings. And yes, this is still John Pristine with Pristine Healthy. Eat clean, live healthy. So the server was like, the server said, "You ate all that?" I said, "Yeah, I was starving." Starving. This has been John Pristine, Pristine Health in Las Vegas, Nevada, where we eat clean and live healthy.